The P0002 code is a generic OBD2 trouble code indicating a fuel volume regulator control circuit range performance issue. This means the engine control module has detected that the fuel volume regulator circuit is not operating within the expected parameters. This is most common in diesel engines. It signals potential inefficiencies in fuel delivery that can negatively affect engine performance. The fuel volume regulator, or FVR, is a solenoid-actuated component in high-pressure fuel systems like common rail diesel injection. It controls the amount of fuel delivered to the injectors based on engine load, speed, and sensor inputs. The engine control module, or ECM, sends a pulse-width modulated signal to the FVR. Proper FVR function is critical for fuel efficiency and emissions compliance. Common symptoms of a P0002 code include hard starts, where the engine struggles to start, particularly in cold conditions. This happens because the fuel volume regulator isn't delivering the right amount of fuel. Another symptom is black smoke from the exhaust, caused by incomplete fuel burning when the regulator overdelivers fuel. You may experience reduced engine power, making the vehicle feel sluggish and less responsive. This occurs when fuel delivery is inconsistent. Poor fuel economy is common, as the regulator wastes fuel by not metering it properly. Additional symptoms include rough idle, stalling, and difficulty accelerating. The severity varies based on the underlying cause and malfunction extent. The P0002 code can arise from various issues affecting the fuel volume regulator control circuit. Faulty fuel volume regulator solenoid. The solenoid may stick or fail to respond to ECM signals. Wiring harness problems. Corrosion, shorts, or open circuits in wiring can disrupt signals. Issues with the ECM. Engine control module malfunctions can cause incorrect commands. Fuel contamination. Dirty or contaminated fuel affects regulator performance. Defective fuel rail pressure sensor. Sensor failures lead to inaccurate pressure readings. Problems in high-pressure fuel pump. Pump issues prevent proper fuel delivery. Aftermarket performance tuners. Tuned settings can overload the system. Diagnosis of the P0002 code begins with using a scan tool to read live data and check for related codes. Technicians connect an OBD2 scan tool to read live data from the fuel volume regulator circuit and look for related trouble codes, such as P0087 for fuel rail pressure issues. Next, perform visual inspections of the wiring harnesses and connectors associated with the fuel volume regulator for signs of damage, corrosion, or loose connections. Voltage drop tests are conducted on the wiring harnesses to ensure proper electrical flow and identify any resistance issues that could affect the fuel volume regulator circuit. Check the resistance of the fuel volume regulator solenoid using a multimeter to verify it's within specifications and functioning correctly. Modern diagnostic tools incorporate AI-enhanced scanning to help pinpoint the exact cause of the P0002 code more efficiently. Repairing the P0002 code depends on identifying the root cause. Common repairs include replacing the fuel volume regulator solenoid, fixing damaged wiring, cleaning injectors, changing filters, addressing pump issues, or reprogramming the ECM. Always clear the code and retest after repairs. Real-world examples show how P002 appears in different vehicles. The Ford F-250 Super Duty from 2011 to 2014 with the 6.7-liter Power Stroke often triggers P0002 due to fuel volume regulator solenoid failure caused by fuel contamination. Ram 2500 trucks with Cummins 6.7-liter engines from 2019 onward can experience P0002 due to CP4 pump cavitation resulting from poor fuel quality. Volkswagen Amarocks may encounter P0002 from software glitches in the fuel system, which can sometimes be resolved with over-the-air updates. Preventative maintenance can help avoid the P0002 code. Regular fuel filter changes and fuel system flushes keep the system clean. Always use high-quality fuel to prevent contamination. Looking ahead, the rise of electric vehicles may decrease P002's prevalence, but it will remain relevant for diesel engines. Future diagnostic tools will use machine learning to predict fuel system failures. Augmented reality tools may assist with remote troubleshooting.